Hi, I'm here today from CCV Career Services to take just a couple of minutes to talk about how you as faculty can utilize the assistance of career consultants in extending your classroom learning to the real world. And there are several exciting ways that we're able to work with your students now. The first of these is that we're able to embed directly into your Moodle classes. So much like an embedded librarian is available to assist students, we have the capability to embed into a week or two of your Moodle class to help students think about a specific project or assignment. This could happen through a discussion forum or an assignment that we work together to create. We also have the capability to Zoom to your classes to deliver presentations. So this is an online presentation. And we could deliver a live real-time presentation or prepare a video around a specific topic that could be played to your students at any time. We have a new chat feature this year for students to reach us online and on the Career Services webpage. If a career consultant is manning the chat window, which is about 43 hours a week of chat time that we're available, so much more than ever before, you will see a little button pop up in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen that says Let's Chat, and students can simply click there and chat in their questions. Now, in terms of your classes, we would be more than happy to have you embed assignments that require students to connect with us via chat or email, but we just want you to know it's an option. Finally, we have a very robust set of resources on the CCV Teach page for faculty. And Career Services now has its own page under Departments. We'll go there. And what we've really tried to do this year is to build out our Teach page with activities and projects that your students can work on, specific to classes and disciplines, again, to help them connect their classroom learning to the real world. So if we click, for example, the folder for class-specific resources and other activities, you will see we have not every class, but many, and we're adding to this resource continually. So if you're teaching, for example, medical assisting, you could click that folder and we have an activity all ready to go for career exploration. We also have an activity all ready to go for writing a resume that's appropriate and targeted to medical assisting. So as you're preparing your classes, I would definitely encourage you to come in and check through the folders here for activities that are existing. If you're not seeing what you're looking for, please be in touch with Career Services and we'd be happy to help create an activity that's right for your class. Or if you're looking at activities and you feel like you need a little bit of help in understanding the programs that we use, you could check the Career Services Software Programs folder. But also, by any means, please feel free to be in touch with career consultants. careerservices@ccv.edu is our email, and we would love to connect with you to help you plan for your upcoming classes. Thank you.